Hey guys, this is Shane from Tier 1 Precision, working on the Remington 870 tactical shotgun, the project that we're doing. I've gone ahead and installed the Trijicon RMR red dot sight with the low rail adapter from Trijicon itself, and that's easy to do. All you really do is just tighten the rail onto the, tighten the adapter onto the rail, and then you screw the RMR onto the adapter. And I've also gone ahead and installed these other rail systems on each side of the foregrip to mount a surefire flashlight and pressure switch, which is very simple to do. I just wanted to show you that, and then on the next thing that we're going to be working on is installing an extended tube, magazine tube, and I'll show you how to do that on the next project. Thank you. This is Shane from Tier 1 Precision. Give us a like and leave comments below. You can check us out at www.tier1precision.com. Thank you.